Hi guys, Assalamu'alaikum. It's Aya from the Halal Media Japan channel. Recently, we are requested to stay at home, but on the other hand, we also have some difficulties in finding the halal food for delivery to our home directly. But don't worry, because today I will introduce you a delivery for halal food from the Yamamotoya. But first of all, I would like to introduce you about what is the Yamamotoya. So, Yamamotoya is a halal restaurant located at the Nagoya in Aichi Prefecture. It is an old established restaurant since 1952. They are serving the Nagoya soul food such as the miso Nikomi Udon, or in English it's called miso stewed udon. They started to serve the halal food since March 2019, and after that there are a lot of Muslim brothers and sisters come to the restaurant to find and enjoy the halal Nagoya soul food. There are two menus that are very popular at the Yamamotoya. Those are the miso Nikomi udon and also the chicken wings. I got my package delivered to my home, and let's see what is inside. So it comes like this. So I had the chicken wings here, and it comes in frozen like this in a plastic bag. Also, this is the miso Nikomi udon. It comes in separate bags for each ingredient. Also comes in frozen. I will introduce you how to cook both of these. Okay, so first, this is the Halal Miso Nikomi Udon. Looks so delicious. It's common to put an egg as a topping of the miso Nikomi Udon. I would like to taste the soup first, because soup is the important taste of the Japanese food. So okay, let's have it. Wow, the miso taste is so rich, very tasty. It's so splendid. This is the first time for me having the halal miso Nikomi udon, and I think I really like it. And next, I would like to try the udon. So the udon is handmade by the Yamamotoya, and I really can't wait to enjoy the udon. So let's have it a try. The udon is so chewy, it's so tasty, in a good size of thickness. It has a very nice harmony. The next dish is the halal chicken wings. chicken is so juicy, tender and soft, and also the taste of miso is very rich. The miso, it meets very nice with the chicken, and I can find like beans here, so I will have a try too. It's bean, not too sweet. It has a very nice taste. I think this combination of the miso also with the chicken wings and the beans are very nice, and I think it has a good harmony in it. So guys, those are the halal Nagoya soul food, the miso Nikomi udon and the chicken wings from the Yamamoto-ya. I believe that you guys want to try it too. I put the link of the miso Nikomi udon and the chicken wings below in the description box, so please check it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's meet again. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.